Hello everyone, it's EcHouse Ken again, taking you to see another renovation. We handed over a renovation project in Kowloon Tong 2 days ago. The homeowner has finished moving everything in today and invited me over for a shoot. I'm about to head out now. Let me briefly introduce this unit first. This unit is located in Kowloon Tong, a traditional luxury residential area in Hong Kong. The unit has a usable area of 1,365 square feet and features a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom layout. Even though the unit is so large, it's actually only for 2 people to live in. It's super exciting. The company responsible this time is a renovation company, and I'm really looking forward to filming this unit because honestly the opportunity to get into a unit in a traditional luxury residential area like Kowloon Tong doesn't come around that often, especially since inside this renovated unit the homeowner has specifically designed one of the rooms to be a dream room. So if you want to see how it turned out, let's head up and take a look right now.
Additionally, we at EcMall offer over 1,000 types of tiles with prices 20% to 10% cheaper, helping you save even more.
Before visiting this unit, let's first take a look at its renovation status. We conduct on-site inspections at every different stage of the project, including demolition, plumbing and electrical work, masonry, painting, furniture installation, and so on. Alright, let's go in and take a look. Wow, the living room is really big. Just looking at it, it's square and very practical. Let's talk about the living room layout. In front, there's a feature wall for the TV cabinet, and behind it a beige sofa is placed. On the side, there's a marble patterned dining table. In front of the sofa, there's a coffee table, and behind the sofa, we've added some recessed lighting effects. Let's start with the TV feature wall. We used a grey design paired with light grey wooden slats, which adds a sense of depth to the TV area. On this side, there's a white storage cabinet where the homeowner has displayed some figurines. The overall design of the living room has a slight light luxury feel. Since the living room is quite large, using 600 by 600 tiles would make it feel too cluttered with too many grout lines, so we used larger 600 by 1200 tiles instead. Alright, after a quick look at the living room, let's head over to the kitchen. Right at the kitchen entrance, you can see a tea-colored glass display cabinet. When you open the glass door, it acts as a partition door. Once inside the kitchen, you can see the walls are tiled with grey tiles with white upper cabinets and wood-colored lower cabinets, creating a quite harmonious combination. The white upper cabinets give off a clean and neat feeling, while the wood-colored lower cabinets create a natural woody atmosphere. And I see that an LED light strip has been installed under the upper cabinets, which adds a touch of modern style to the kitchen. The use of wood texture on the cabinet doors makes the whole kitchen feel much warmer. Alright, having seen the kitchen, let's head back out. Oh, on the left side, there's the men's group. So, in this recessed area by the door, we've built a hollow cabinet. It uses a wood grain texture paired with a white finish, which should be convenient for the homeowners to place things like wallets and keys. This bench here is likely part of the shoe cabinet. Alright, after looking at that, let's go check out the gym first. Wow, this is really nice. The floor is covered with black soft mats, so maybe when the owner is lifting dumbbells, it won't be as noisy if they drop them on the floor. On the left side, there's a piece of gym equipment. This is a Smith machine. It can be used for upper body training, including the chest and back muscles, and it can also train other parts of the body. Since I've played with this before, I know a little bit about it. Also, there's a full-length mirror here, so you can check if your form is correct while working out. Now that we've seen the gym room, shall we come over here and take a look at the guest bathroom? For the bathroom walls, they've used grey marble pattern tiles, so the overall style looks like a light industrial design. In front, there's a relatively large mirror cabinet, and it also features a recessed lighting effect. The wash basin uses a black countertop, and the shower area walls also consistently use the same grey marble pattern tiles. There's no bathtub on this side. Alright, now that we've finished looking at the guest bathroom, let's head back out to the living room and take a look. So next to it, this should be the guest room. Since it's just a couple living here, the guest room is kept quite simple. They've bought a bed, and as you can see, the curtains have also been designed using a milk tea-like color. Wow, actually, if friends or relatives come over to hang out, they can stay over here for a night. At the foot of the bed, a built-in wardrobe has been custom made to increase storage space. Now that we've seen the guest room, let's head to the master bedroom. It's quite big, so it takes a moment to walk over. As soon as you enter the master bedroom, you see a cream-colored desk, and right next to it is a storage cabinet that extends to the double bed. I think the bed is probably about 4.5 feet wide, right? And over by the window, the color of the curtains is quite interesting. On this side, there's a glass display cabinet with a black frame, and it even has LED strips. The owner said they're already displaying their toys. You can already see a Batman placed at the bottom. Let me get a close-up look. It's very detailed. That Batman is really cool. On the other side, a white storage cabinet has been used to partition off a walk-in closet and a vanity area. The white L-shaped wardrobe provides ample storage space. Is this tall, high-ceilinged area at the back supposed to be the wardrobe? Let's go take a look at the bathroom first. Oh, the bathroom also uses an industrial-style design, and the walls are covered with large, dark marble patterned tiles. The countertop of the wash basin is made of deep black stone. There's plenty of space on the other side, so there's room for a large bathtub. You could lie down in it and take a bath with absolutely no problem. Alright, we've just finished filming at the unit and are now back at the office. What did you all think of the renovation of that unit? If you have any opinions, feel free to leave a comment below. That unit earlier was truly huge and amazing, and the gym room was just... I really wish my home could be like that too, but you need to have some serious financial strength for that. Anyway, if you're planning to renovate later and don't want to get scammed or worry about unfinished projects, remember to contact Easy Sales Ken. We film a large number of different renovation cases every month, so remember to follow us. Also, if you want to get more renovation design inspiration, you can visit our website. We've uploaded a large number of different renovation cases there for your reference. See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.
And at House, we will match you with 3 suitable renovation or design companies based on your budget and design style. Our matching specialist will help you analyze the quotes. Once you have chosen a company, our matching specialist will also accompany you to witness the signing of the contract, ensuring that you understand the content of the contract and agree to it before you sign. During the renovation process, if you have any questions about the renovation, you can ask our matching specialist. At House, we let you have peace of mind with your renovation and design.
I want to mount it on the wall, but how do I install this?
Why isn't this a Hong Kong plug? How am I supposed to use it?
Oh, it's completely clogged. Big trouble.
Wow, the silicone sealant around the sink is all moldy. What should I do?